Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
I recently painted our cabinets and I wanted all new hardware on them to make them look all fresh and new. And these cabinet pulls by Koofizo are perfect. I wanted a lighter color because I painted our cabinets a really dark color. They work extremely well. They fit perfectly in your hand, even in my little daughter's hand, to open and close all of our drawers and cabinets. They have a really sleek, timeless look to them. I like that they're not overly intricate. They're very simple, but they just look very classy. I like that they come all single wrapped. This is the brushed nickel. It's a beautiful color. It's kind of a silver with a matte finish to them. Very, very beautiful. It also comes with all the screws you need. It comes with two different lengths. So if you're doing it through just like a cabinet door like here, you need the shorter screw, but on our drawers, because I was going through the drawer and the faceplate of it, I needed the longer screws. Both fit our cabinets perfectly. There was no wiggling. They are exactly the right length. These are the 3-inch ones. We already had 3-inch cabinet handles on, so they were easily fit into the same spot. If you're looking for some very classic, timeless, beautiful hardware for your cabinets, I highly recommend these.
And that's my point of view.